This job will give us a chance to put still more cell on the 348 Workmaster V8 because it's the top engine for this kind of work as well as over-the-road hauling. You won't find an engine anywhere to equal the Workmaster. But new engine features are only part of the story you've got to tell. Your cab structure is stronger, and there's terrific strength built into the frame. Cushman will love this demonstration. Twisting strain that would break up an ordinary truck. Good work. Dexter, we've all got a lot to sell in 59. Styling, power, terrific new economy, and the fact that now, more than ever before, Chevrolet trucks can be tailored to fit the job that has to be done. Well, there you have it, Dexter. A demonstration that'll impress any truck operator, large or small.
Mr. Cushman should have been there by now. You don't suppose...
I told the fellas to line the trucks up down the road. Maybe we better get down there.
Oh, it is.
It looks like
yes,
it.
I think so.
Well, Dexter, I thought I saw you down here. And let me tell you...
Mr. Cushman, nice to see you again. Or perhaps you don't remember me. My name is Russell
Yes,
Peters.
I know. Nice to see you again. Now then, Dexter, where were we? Oh, yes. I may as well admit I'm interested in your trucks. I'm not sold, you understand. There are a number of questions I want to ask. Suppose we go back to my office. Oh, and by the way, young man, that was an excellent demonstration. You showed real initiative.
You saw it? But how? We were just rehearsing.
Saw it all from the hill up there. Very impressive, Dexter. Very impressive. And now, let's all go back to the office in my new El Camino.
Your new El Camino? Well, Mr. Cushman, you mean...
I want to try it out some more, of course. And if you'll sharpen your pencil, we may be able to do business.
Allow me, Mr. Cushman.